Hey Rush fam, so just a quick update here on 2 construction on Holborn Road in New Kingston. Just gonna show you guys a quick update on the progress of construction, so stay tuned. Alright guys, for those who don't know, I am Rush, the Discover Boss, and we are showcasing everything Jamaican, all the new development, all the beauty of Jamaica. So we're on Holborn Road looking at this commercial development, 8 floors. This was a 2-floor building before. It was once a gym, once a restaurant. So this is the progress of construction, and of course it's a drone video, so I'll soon send up the drone and show you guys what's happening. And then very close by we have this other commercial development right here. I think it was a short stay hotel, like an inn before. I think it was 2 floors, and they have transformed it into this commercial development. So Holborn Road, New Kingston, very quick update. And then we have the root vent towers over there, the glimpse of the root vent towers. And this is a Scotia investment building. I don't think it's still operational. And then we have a glimpse of the R Hotel. And definitely from the drone you guys will see these buildings a little bit better. And then we have the center of New Kingston over there. So guys, stay tuned. Quick video, quick update. New Kingston, Holborn Road, 2 commercial developments. They transformed it from a single building lot, 2 floors, into a multi-level development. So a lot of that is happening. And as usual, leave your comments. Remember to like, subscribe, share. And just basically let me know what you think in the comments. So we're gonna send up the drone now, so stay tuned for that. This is a small plaza right here. I think they have a restaurant over there and a few other offices. Alright, so it's time for the drone.